Early childhood education experts Luis Hernandez and Michael Gramling invite you to join them in Savannah, Georgia on October 1st and 2nd for a learning experience we are calling the Domain of Relationships, affirming effective interactions as the key for learning. This two-day interactive workshop is brought to you by Training and Technical Assistance Services at Western Kentucky University. As early childhood educators, we are concerned about class scores. Beyond that, we are keenly aware that the quality of interactions measured by the class assessment can influence outcomes for children well beyond their time in our care. Research proves again and again that the first 5 years in a child's life are consequential. It is an immense responsibility for parents to provide interactions and experiences their children need the most. But for those of us who assume that responsibility for other people's children, well, that is a sacred trust. As leaders in Head Start and early Head Start programs, we work hard with our educators. We train and we coach our teachers and staff. But for many programs, our class scores show little improvement despite our best efforts. Let's take a wider perspective. It may be that the way we are training our teachers focuses too much on the instrument itself rather than concentrating on the interactions between educator and child. This workshop is designed to identify specific communication strategies and to provide practical tools to improve interactions between your teachers and the children and families in your program. We base these strategies and tools on two principles of quality interactions. The first is all of us need to appreciate the direct link between quality interactions and school success and be able to articulate that connection to staff and families. The second one is that all of us need to help our teachers see that these interactions are doable. They flow naturally from authentic conversations based on a genuine interest in the child. Bottom line, when interactions improve, class scores follow. Let's provide high-quality interactions that will better prepare our children for success. We invite you to join Michael and Luis in Savannah to learn how. Online registration is easy, and we encourage you to sign up now. We've created a tiny URL that takes you to a website with complete information and a link to the online registration site. It is tinyurl.com/2019 transform. Again, that is tinyurl.com/2019 transform. Do you have any questions? Give the TTAS support team a call at 1-800-882-7482. Luis and Michael look forward to seeing you in beautiful Savannah, Georgia in October. Go ahead and sign up now.